Are you a beginner or intermediate jumper that has found your jump rope workouts becoming a little stale because your only skill set is the basic bounce and alternate leg? This can become boring quickly, but maybe skills like the crisscross and double unders are a little out of your reach at this point. Well, I have 4 basic jump rope skills that are going to help spice up your workouts without adding too much frustration on top. If you're new, welcome to the Jump 15 channel, where I teach you how to jump rope and get in shape so you can enjoy life at your maximum potential. Let's do this. First, let's discuss the 4 main benefits that you're going to get with these skills. First off, it's going to help you develop feel and control over your rope. This will allow you to more easily change the tempo you are jumping at and help you trip less. It will help you develop basic footwork and coordination skills. It'll increase workout intensity, burning more calories in less time, and it will bring variety to your workouts, making them more fun. Each skill is based around the basic bounce. Note the grid I created on my mat for reference to each movement. The first skill is the jump jack or side straddle. It is a bottom half of the jumping jack, and the wider you spread your feet, the slower the tempo. The more narrow you spread your feet, the faster the tempo. Your feet need to be back together when the rope passes beneath you, or you will trip up. Next is the scissor or forward straddle, similar to the side straddle except in the forward and backward plane of motion. Again, tempo is dictated by how wide you are spreading your feet. We are going lateral now. The side-to-side or skier jump is one of my favorites. You can see how the movement activates the core and legs more. Timing is key, as you have to be centered when the rope makes its pass beneath you or you're gonna trip. The bellhop also engages more stability muscles, as balance and propulsion forward and backward are key. All of these skills will help develop tempo control by how far you are jumping or spreading your feet. Once you have learned each skill, practice transitioning from one to the next. Try to do 4 jumps on each skill before moving on to the next, and aim to do this 3 to 5 times through without missing. Trust me when I say this will become a workout in itself. If you have mastered all of this, start combining 2 of these skills together. Can you identify which skills make up each of these combos? Let me know in the comments below. This is a great way to raise the intensity of your workouts even more, so have some fun with it. If you are new to jump rope, developing a solid foundation in form and technique is very important. That's why I've created this specific playlist just for you that covers all the basics, located right over here. And if you are more advanced, I have a whole library of skill tutorials that is waiting to take you to the next level. I will see you in the next video.